Hey guys, it's Jenny! And today we are playing with this Metal Matte Vegas lip. Ooh, ooh. So if you want to know how I paired it up, got this look, then keep watching. So I have just been itching to use this Metal Matte liquid lipstick in Vegas, which is like a bronzy gold. Oh, guys, it's so cool. So I need to create a look that will go with that. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so I just tried to wipe that off on. Okay, so I'm going to do a very simple eye look. Let's start with some primer, which would be where? Hello, right in front of you. I'm not very organized today, I must say. So this last week, I made videos with my nieces. If you haven't seen them yet, you should really go check those out. And helped with my dad's basement, which we tore everything out. So that was fun. It actually was fun though, because I don't know, it was different, something to do with family. My brother came with his girls, who are my nieces, obviously. I'm sure you figured that out already. And we had fun tearing out the basement, making videos. It was good. It was a good week. Alright, I'm going to go into the Naturals, Profusion Naturals palette. And I'm going to take the color. What color? I'm going to start with Heavenly. Use that as a little transition shade. So there's some Heavenly. Now I'm going to go into, I'm going to use Cozy, and I'm just going to use that in the crease and outer corner. Oh boy, it might be a little darker than I thought. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a flat brush, and I'm going to use Silky all over the lid. And yeah, this is going to be a super simple look. Just pat it on the lid, just give a little something something. Go in with the transition shade brush and just buff out the edges. Now I'm going to go in with a lovely little liner. Where are you at? This little liner brush, eyeliner. Hello, Jackie. And I'm going to go into Nightlife. And I'm going to use that as my liner, and I'm going to try to make a little wing out of it. We'll see how that goes. Wish me luck. Alright, let me take some liquid. I know I just saw the liquid liner. Literally, it was right here. Here it is. Okay. E.L.F. liquid liner. I'll try to go over that without messing it up. I think that's as good as I'm gonna get it. So now, now I'm gonna put on some E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer. Let that sink in a little while I finish my eyes. I like to give that time to really set into my face. I'm going to put on some Believe Beauty Voluminized Mascara, and then I'm going to pop on my lashes. I think with a matte or a metallic lipstick, you need lashes. You need that little extra va-va-voom. Not on sale. Okay. I'm going to pop on the lashes as soon as I find the lash glue. Man, this desk is a mess. I need to organize, reorganize. Where's my lash glue? Like, oh, there it is. Alright, I'm going to pop on these lashes and I'll be right back. So, okay, lashes are on. Now we got to do a quick face. I'm going to use my Amani Cosmetics powder foundation with my Wet n Wild Kabuki brush. I love doing this. You know what? Totally forgot that I like to use the concealer first. So, yeah, let's hope that maybe just powdering that 2 seconds ago isn't going to be an issue. Using the Believe Beauty. What is this? Brighten Up Color Correcting Concealer first. Under my eyes. Then I'm going to go in with the Imani Concealer in neutral. Go over spots on my nose and all that lovely redness you know I love so much. Skin isn't very happy with me because I have not been using a lot of lotion, my moisturizer lately, because I've been busy. Go in the basement and tear stuff out, and I took a shower at my dad's house, so I didn't have all my stuff there. So I haven't been like moisturizing much, and my skin does not like that. Okay, now we'll go in with that foundation. Beautiful! Okay, so now let's go in with some bronzer. What bronzer do I want to use? I think I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Color Icon and Bikini Contest. Don't use this. I'm almost out of it, so yeah, let's work on that, shall we? Where is there? It is. I think I'm going to use this contour palette by Beauty Benefits Hollywood. Just add a little bit of contour. Perfect. Look at that. I'm going to use the E.L.F. brow pencil in taupe. Okay, so now we need some blush. I think I'm going to use this Tarte blush. What? I feel like there's a hair on me and I don't like that feeling. Okay, this is in feisty. We're all a little feisty sometimes. Ooh, now we need some highlight. Do a nice highlight with my Wet n Wild I'm So Lit, because it's so pretty. want to be lit, but not too lit. We don't want to take too much attention away from that lip that we're going to put on. So first, I'm going to do a lovely little Slay All Day setting spray. You're hot and you put on setting spray, it's just so refreshing. Like my crazy hair today, my hair is not cooperating. Alright, so there's setting spray. Need to do a little bit under Somebody's Beauty mascara. Oh, okay, let me see what kind of, do I have a lip liner? I don't know if I have a lip liner that's gonna work with that color. We're gonna have to wing it, guys. Winging it. It's okay, we can do this. I believe. Alright, here we go. So, oh my gosh. This is so awesome. Wow. That is quite the lip color. That is not bronze, that is gold. That explains why it's called Vegas. Awesome. I don't know about you guys, but I'm digging it. That is so cool. Alright, let's do something with this hair, shall we? Let's go this way then. Here we go. Give it a little oomph. Need some oomph, eh? Eh? I'm not Canadian. So, what do you guys think? Wow, that is an intense lip color. This is Metal Matte Vegas by Gerard Cosmetics. And that is crazy. I love it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. So that is it for today's look. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation. Be alerted as soon as my videos go up. So yes, that is today's look. This lip is crazy and I love it. So yeah, I hope you will tune in for future videos, and I also hope that you have a wonderful day.